Hello everyone, it's your boy Rickodebest, and this video is sponsored by Hekka. Hekka is an online shopping platform where you can find a variety of cool stuff from electronics to appliances and fashion. They also ship worldwide with affordable shipping, and you have a list of countries in which you can ship from. So we have the United States and we have the rest of the world, which includes 240 countries and regions. So if you head over to hekka.com, you will have fashion, you have electronics and more. So today we'll be taking a look at the Redmi Buds 3. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the product from this package. So here we have the AirPods by Redmi Buds 3, and inside the box here we have a manual which is in Chinese. Also inside the box we have a USB Type-C cable, so you can use this to charge the earbuds. So pretty short cable, maybe 8-inch. So if we take a closer look on these casing, the casing looks a little bit square comparing to the AirPods in which I have right here, and it uses a USB Type-C to charge the device. So I'm just gonna go ahead to plug it in, and if you plug it in, it gives you a white light there that shows that it's charging. Being that the case is white, I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera. Let's see if I okay, so when I unplugged it, you could see that little dot there, and if I plug it back in, okay, the white light is there. If we open the earbuds, you could see Redmi up top there with also some writings. Also, to take note, in order to connect these devices to your phone, you need to remove each of the earbuds from the case, and there is a little plastic in which you need to remove. Here it is, because if you don't remove these, they won't be able to make any contact at the bottom. So you need to remove them first, put them inside the case before you'll be able to pair these with your device. So looking at it, the quality feels pretty sturdy. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect these to my phone and show you guys. Okay, so now I have my phone with me, and in order to pair these devices with your phone, you need to long press on this button right here. So I'm just going to open the top of it, and when you open it up, there's a little light that comes on and then it goes off. So I'm going to long press this button until the light, so the light is flashing. So now I'm just gonna scan. Okay, there it is right there, Redmi Buds 3, and then I'm gonna hit pair, and they are connected. So I'm gonna try to see if these earbuds can work with two devices. So I have another phone here with me, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to pair them. I'm not sure if I have to squeeze the button again, but I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. So the light is flashing. I'm just gonna scan again. Okay, Redmi Buds 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect, and it requests to pair the device. Press OK. Alright, so it's now connected. While it's connected, I'm gonna get my other phone to see. Okay, so it's disconnected from this phone. I'm going to go ahead and connect it back to see if it will connect. Okay, so I'm going to turn the Bluetooth off from the first phone and then try to connect and see if it works. Okay, so it's now connected. I'm going to turn it on back on the second phone and try to connect. Okay, so it doesn't seem like it's alright. There it is. So unfortunately, you cannot use two devices with these earbuds. But other than that, I mean, these earbuds are pretty good, affordable for the price. So if you close the case while the phone is connected, it's gonna automatically disconnect. So if I open the case, let's see how quick it will connect. So there it is. It connects pretty quick. And also what I want to mention is that these earbuds carries a sensor on each side. So if you are playing the music and you take them from out of your ears, the music will stop. So I'm gonna try that for you guys so you could see what I'm talking about. Alright, so I just pull up a video on YouTube. Alright, so I'm gonna play the video, and while I'm playing it, you could actually hear it right now, but I'm gonna pretend that these are inside your ears. So if you put them inside your ears, they'll be like this in your ears, and if you take them out, there it is, it stopped the video. So if I put them back down again, it will resume, and if you take them out of your ears, it will stop. Okay guys, so what I've done, I've bring up some music for you, and if you double tap, it should go to the next song that's playing. Okay, there it is. And if I do a triple tap, it will go to the previous song, or it will restart the song for you. You can also press and hold right there, and it will pause. So I'm going to do that again. Let me make sure that's in focus. Okay, and long touch, play, long touch, pause. So you can also double tap the earbuds to answer a call, and double tap to hang up a phone call. Also, these earbuds are dust and water resistant, so that's IP54, so that gives you a little protection. So if you are using them while you're working out, a little sweat won't harm them, or a little spill. The speaker on these earbuds is a 12mm dynamic drivers, so the audio quality is excellent. So I would recommend anyone to purchase these earbuds because they are pretty good for the price. So Redmi said these earbuds can last you 5 hours on the single charge. That's from both of these, and the case will last you 20 hours. So that's the total battery life you'll get from these little earbuds. So there is a Mi Buds M8 app in which you can download from the Play Store, and with these it allows you to monitor the battery on your earbuds. So I just went ahead and downloaded it, so let me try and see what happened. So I open the case, it says that it is connected. I probably might need to launch the app, so let me just go ahead and do that. Okay, so there it is, Redmi Buds 3, and it tells you the firmware, the battery for each of these devices. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove one from the case and close the case to see what happened. Okay, so it gives you the battery life of the left one, because the left one is what I just removed, and the case. So that's pretty good. You could also enable automatic calls. With this app you will be able to find a missing earphone. So example, if you took this from out of your ears and sit it down somewhere, if I open the app and I said find earphones, it will show only one of them because it is the left one which is connected at the moment. So if I click the play icon, it will make a sound. Let me see if I can get that for you. So that's the sound it would make if you accidentally put these down somewhere. I'm not sure if you'll hear it if you're like 50 feet away, but I guess it helps you to find them. So if I go back out of it, it should stop. So So that's a pretty little features there. You could also turn on the pop-up dialog. So if I turn that on and go back, I'm just gonna put it back in the case. So I'm gonna just open up the case again. And let's see what happened when they're connected. So there it is. So again guys, this is a pretty good headset. They fit pretty nice in the ears, and they're a little bit bigger, or slightly bigger than the AirPods. So let me just show you guys that for comparison. And they're a little bit fatter. In terms of the size of the part that goes in your ears, I would say they're a little bit bigger than the AirPod, but the stick part of it, as you can see, it's a bit taller and a bit fatter. I would recommend these earbuds because they are pretty affordable. The quality is good, the call quality, the audio is pretty decent for the price. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these earbuds, I'll be putting a link down below in the description. You can also get $10 off your orders on any orders on Hekka.com. So that's any orders over $29.99. So if you use the code Rickodebest10, you get $10 off your order. So the link's gonna be below in the description, so make sure you go ahead and check out Hekka, and you could browse the site. They sell a lot of items. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to share this video, like it, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.